Everyone tells you to take your vitamins, but vitamins are basically useless without minerals. Minerals are the actual hardware running your body, the electricity, the scaffolding, the oxygen delivery, the cleanup crew, and your body can't make a single one of them. There are two buckets you need to know: macrominerals and trace minerals. Here is every essential mineral explained, what it does, what happens when you run low, and how to fix it with real food. No BS. Calcium. Calcium doesn't just build strong bones. It's the trigger that lets every muscle fiber contract, including your heartbeat. When you don't get enough, your body literally raids your bones to keep your heart and nerves working, which is how you end up with thin, fragile bones and random muscle cramps. You fix it with dairy like yogurt and cheese, but also with dark leafy greens, tofu, and sardines if you're not into cow juice. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is calcium's construction buddy and your energy builder. It helps make ATP, the actual battery pack inside your cells. If you're low, you don't just feel tired, you feel weak, like your muscles are stuck in permanent low power mode, and climbing stairs feels harder than it should. You mostly get it automatically from meat, poultry, fish, dairy, nuts, and beans. So if you eat enough protein, you're usually covered. Magnesium. Magnesium is your body's voltage regulator. It helps muscles relax and keeps your nervous system from acting like a chihuahua on espresso. When you're low, you get the wired but tired feeling, random eye twitches, tight shoulders, constipation, and the classic 3 a.m. "why am I awake right now" insomnia. You fix it with pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews, spinach, and yes, a bit of dark chocolate, which is probably why your body keeps asking for it. Sodium. Sodium is the magnet that pulls water into your bloodstream and keeps your blood pressure high enough to stay conscious. Too little and you feel dizzy standing up, drained, maybe nauseous, and your brain feels like it's running on dial-up internet. Too much long-term, and your blood vessels stay under constant pressure. You get it from salt, so instead of cutting all salt, focus on real food plus a sensible sprinkle of sea salt and ditch the all-day ultra-processed snacks. Potassium. Potassium is sodium's calmer sibling. It helps nerves fire properly and lets muscles, including your heart, relax between beats. Low potassium shows up as muscle weakness, leg cramps, heart palpitations, and sometimes feeling strangely out of breath or just off. You fix it with bananas, potatoes, especially with the skin, beans, avocados, and leafy greens. Chloride. Chloride is the forgotten electrolyte. It pairs with sodium to balance fluids and helps form stomach acid. When you don't have enough, digestion struggles. You get bloating, burping, and poor nutrient absorption. You mostly get chloride from regular table salt and salty foods. So if you're eating enough and not overdoing extreme fasting trends, you're probably fine. Sulfur. Sulfur is your body's structural glue and detox helper. It builds strong hair, skin, nails, and helps your liver process out waste. Low sulfur can show up as brittle hair and nails, creaky joints, and skin that just doesn't glow no matter how many serums you buy. You'll find it in eggs, garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cabbage. Basically foods that make your kitchen smell questionable, but your body very happy. Iron. Iron is your oxygen delivery service. It builds hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen through your blood. When you're low, you feel exhausted, pale, constantly cold, short of breath climbing stairs, and sometimes crave ice or strange non-foods. You fix it with red meat, dark poultry, organ meats, or for plant-based eaters, lentils and spinach paired with vitamin C to improve absorption. Zinc. Zinc is your body's repair mechanic. It helps wounds heal, supports your immune system, and keeps your taste and smell working. When zinc runs low, every cold hits harder, skin heals slowly, hair may thin, and food starts tasting bland. You fix it with oysters at the top of the list, followed by beef, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and other nuts and seeds. Copper. Copper is iron's wingman. It helps your body actually use iron and keeps your nerves and immune system working smoothly. Low copper can look like anemia that doesn't improve with iron, numb or tingly hands and feet, and sometimes premature gray hair. You get it from shellfish, beef liver, seeds, nuts, and yes, a bit of dark chocolate again. Your snack drawer is starting to look surprisingly therapeutic. Iodine. Iodine is the fuel for your thyroid, the tiny gland in your neck that controls metabolism and energy. When you don't get enough, your thyroid can swell, your metabolism slows down, you gain weight more easily, feel cold all the time, and crawl through the day in brain fog. You fix it with iodized table salt, seaweed, and seafood like cod and shrimp, so that sushi craving might be doing more than you think. Selenium. Selenium is your antioxidant bodyguard and another key helper for your thyroid. Low selenium can look like brain fog, low mood, constant getting sick, and sluggish thyroid symptoms. You mainly get it from Brazil nuts, and here's the warning. 1 or 2 a day is plenty. This is not a mindlessly eat half the bag during Netflix mineral unless you want a very unchill toxicity lesson. And finally, a few ultra-trace minerals you usually get automatically from a balanced diet. Manganese helps build bone cartilage and supports antioxidant systems. Chloride strengthens tooth enamel and protects against cavities. Chromium helps insulin move glucose from your blood into your cells. Molybdenum helps break down toxins and metabolic waste. And cobalt sits inside vitamin B12, helping protect your nerves and red blood cells. Here's the catch. Supplement marketing often acts like you need giant doses of single minerals in separate pills, but minerals compete with each other for absorption. Take massive zinc, and you can accidentally block copper. Push one mineral too high, and you quietly create another deficiency. Your body doesn't want a tackle box of random pills. It wants real food that bundles these minerals together in ratios your body actually understands. Protein from animals or beans provides iron, zinc, phosphorus, and copper. Leafy greens, nuts, and seeds provide magnesium and manganese. Dairy or fortified alternatives help with calcium. And a sensible amount of salt helps balance sodium, iodine, and chloride. When you zoom out, this isn't about memorizing every mineral. It's about understanding the system. If you're exhausted, cramping, wired but tired, freezing, or your hair and skin aren't cooperating, sometimes the missing piece is just one tiny mineral. If this breakdown made your body a little easier to understand, that's kind of the whole point. I'll keep unpacking your biology like this. Quietly nerdy, but in plain language you can actually use. If you want more calm, no BS explainers about how your body really works, subscribe and stick around. See you in the next one. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or replace professional medical advice. If you have any health concerns, please consult your healthcare provider.